Hello friends, welcome back to C for Career classes. Today we are going to do the third part in our series of speed multiplication. So speed multiply techniques, we have discussed two parts so far. We have discussed the multiplication of 2-digit numbers, we have discussed the multiplication of 3-digit into 2-digit numbers. So today we are going to learn the multiplication of 3-digit into 3-digit numbers. So you must definitely go and watch the previous videos, otherwise you will not be able to understand the concepts today, because we are just building on what you have learned in the past. So for those of you who have already seen the first part, that is multiplication of 2-digit into 2-digit number, and the second part, that is multiplication of 3-digit into 2-digit numbers, it will be very easy for you to follow this method today. My dear students, let's discuss this problem here. 121 into 411. Now this is 3-digit into 3-digit. Let's look at the first conventional method. Let's look at the conventional method, how we normally do this question. 1 into 1, we all know we'll get 1. Next, what we do normally, 1 into 2, that is 2. 1 into 1, that is 1. I know you know this method, but for my comparison, I am just doing it here. Let us complete this. For 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 1, 1. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 1, 4. Now we got to add all these things. Here we have 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 1 plus 8 is 9 and 4. So finally we will get the answer. Everybody can find this answer. No doubt about that. Everybody can find this answer. But let's look at the steps here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is a 14-step process. This is a 14-step process. Normally this can be done in about 20 seconds. Normally a person can do this in 20 seconds. If you are quite fast in maths, probably you can do it in 15 to 18 seconds, and if you are a bit slow, maybe it may take more than 20 seconds. So that is how we normally do this multiplication. Now let's look at the speed multiply method. Same numbers, 121 into 411. Okay. So let me draw a notation here. If you have attended the first and the second part, I am very sure you will understand this. I am just drawing something which you will not understand now, but as I do this question, you will understand that very well. I know this looks like something totally out of the world, but I will relate this to this problem. We will see that how we will relate it. This is the first step. We start from here. This is the first step. We are going to multiply the unit digit. Same like we discussed previously. Unit digit. 1 into 1, we will get 1. Second, come back here. Cross multiplication. This is the same thing we have done in the 2-digit multiplication. Forget about these two numbers. Now it is simply 21 into 11. You have learned that. We will apply a cross multiplication. How do we do here? 2 into 1 and 1 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 1 is 3. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So we have completed 2 steps. This is the most complex part, and this is the only part which is new for us. If you are clear with this one, this method is going to be very easy for us. So let me get here. What we have here? One line like this. We have one like this. We have another one like this. That means there are 3 pairs. This is one pair. This is the second pair. This is the third pair. Look at here. This is the first pair. This is the second pair, and this is the third pair. You can relate this symbol to here. So exactly this is what we have to do. 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 1, 2. That makes it 3 plus 4 into 1. That makes it 3 plus 4, 7. I know this is complex, so I am going to repeat it once again. This is the third step. First and second step were easy for us because the same as a 2-digit multiplication. But the third step is a new step. It's a complex step here. But if you break it down, this is going to be very easy. Look at the symbol here. This is first pair, this is second pair, this is the third pair. When we place it here, we get the same thing, first pair, second pair and the third pair. So there are 3 multiplications and we have to add these. Just go about this again. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. This is a 7, I got it. This is a 7, we got here. Now next one is again a cross multiplication. This is easy. We just multiply these pairs. You can see it here. 4 into 2 plus 1 into 1. 4 into 2 8 plus 1 into 1 is 1. That is 8 plus 1 is 9. The last one again we always discuss, leftmost digits has to be multiplied. That means we are multiplying this 1 and 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So we will get the answer 4973. Now the interesting part is the answers are the same. You can say it is 49731. We get the same answer. But how many steps? That's important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 steps. Normally this can be done in 10 seconds. So if your multiplications are good, you are good with multiplication tables, you can probably do this in 10 seconds. So we can break down a multiplication which takes us 20 seconds into one which just takes us 10 seconds. So just to repeat once again, look at this diagram. This is what you have to memorize. This is the flow of the diagram. It's a very nice symmetric diagram. It starts like this, it ends the same way. So this is easy to memorize. So you can draw this. First is a unit digit multiplication. Then we have a cross multiplication. Then we have a very complex one. 3 pairs has to be multiplied. Again we have a cross multiplication, that is the digits to the left, and last we have the leftmost digits multiplication. So you can go back to this video once again if you want from the start and try to understand this better, because we are going to do some practice questions now. So my dear students, let's look at the problems we have to practice. 321 into 112. So just for your reference, I will draw the pattern once again. So this is the 5 steps that we are going to do. How do we do it here? Let's see this. 2 into 1, that is the first one, that is 2. Second one is a cross multiplication. 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Third one is this multiplication. 3 pairs has to be multiplied. Which are the pairs? 3 into 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is equal to 9. The next one, we have to multiply these 2 pairs. 3 into 1, 3, plus 2 makes it 5. The last one, 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So you can say this is very easy. So when you do it directly, you can simply write the digits and you will get the answer very fast. Let's look at the second one. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 0 is 0, plus 1. So we will get it as 1 only, because 3 into 0 is 0 and plus 1 into 1. So we have just 1 here. Third step, 3 into 9, 27. This is 0. 0 into 1. So we don't have anything here. 3 into 9 is 27 plus 2. That is 29. 2 is a carry. 2 is a carry. 3 steps completed. Now the fourth one here. Look at here. So we have to cross multiply this. 9 into 1 is 9. This is 0. So 9 plus this carry 2 makes it 11. So we have a carry of 1. The last step, 9 into 2, 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. So we have 191913. So like you can see, we have covered the 3 different speed multiply methods. Multiplication of 2 digit into 2 digit numbers, multiplication of 3 digit into 2 digit numbers, multiplication of 3 digit into 3 digit numbers. So this is all the numbers you can expect in any kind of competitive exams, be it a job exam or a higher studies exam or even in your placements. This is the only kind of multiplications you ever have to do. So once you practice this thoroughly, you will be able to increase your speed in calculation, specifically in multiplication. So I hope you could follow the videos, and if you have any suggestions, please you can comment. Any doubts you have, you can definitely comment and ask for suggestions. Thank you so much.